RJG is an internationally recognized market leader in training and optimization services, and in sensor technology, specifically for the plastics industry. As the pioneer in scientific molding from the perspective of injection molding from the plastics point of view, RJG has been developing metrology solutions based on the 4 plastics variables with and for our customers for over 35 years. Using standardized process techniques, such as decoupled molding, in conjunction with our innovative technology, RJG offers seminars and workshops on the injection molding process for career changers and injection molding professionals. As an example, in our systematic molding workshop, we teach through a combination of classroom instruction and activity-driven learning. Students leave with a better understanding of how to develop a machine-independent process, how to make data-driven improvements to existing processes, and how to effectively troubleshoot using scientific and systematic approaches. This enables us to achieve a targeted introduction of this technology and a high level of acceptance in the entire corporate structure of our customers. RJG, as the world market leader with the innovative sensor technology based on strain gauge measurement technology, we provide solutions for simple and robust sensor installation with lowest procurement cost and at the same time easy maintenance. With our advanced diagnostic and process control systems, such as Copilot, RJG offers a comprehensive product portfolio including sensors, installation kits, network tools, and PC-based analysis software. With our T0 program, our experts work with our customers using simulations and optimization management in our 6-step analyze. Still true to the motto, from art to part, from the design to the production phase of the components, in order to reduce costs and time for adjustments during the tool start. We, RJG, as a forward-thinking partner, help companies improve product quality and consistency while optimizing efficiency and performance as they move into the age of Industry 4.0.